So this is going to be a quick video on how I repair the broken tab that's on this bumper of my 2017 Subaru Forester. So ever since I bought this thing has been driving me nuts. It always pops out when I go over bumps. So today I happened to find an old underbody cover that I got from eBay a long time ago. This was like 30 bucks. I am going to use that because it's the perfect thickness that I need to repair that bumper tab. So I've cut out a piece of this underbody cover, a rough piece, roughly in the shape of the bumper tab. So here I am doing a quick test fit on the non-broken one, and I'm going to trim it and kind of get it into a rough shape that I need. And on the broken side, I'm going to trim off any excess plastic, get a nice flat surface that I can mount the replacement tab on. Then I'm going to grab a regular paper clip and bend it into a rough shape, a rough outline of the bumper tab. I'll cut off any excess, and this is going to act as a reinforcement. It's going to help hold that bumper to the replacement tab and keep it from breaking. I'm going to turn on my trusty soldering iron and tack this replacement tab in place. You don't need a fancy soldering iron, anything really, it will work. This just keeps it in place for the next step, which is to heat up this paper clip. It doesn't really take a lot to heat this up and get it nice and red. You don't need to use a torch, you can use really any source of fire. Once you got it nice and hot, go ahead and press that paper clip into the plastic. You don't want to have too much pressure, just enough where the metal is on the same level as the plastic itself. Now on the replacement side right here, I didn't quite get the metal deep enough, so I'm using a soldering iron again to heat up that paper clip and push it further into the plastic. So now that I got everything cleaned up, I'm going to cut off another tiny piece of the underbody cover and use it as a filler and kind of do another layer on top of the metal. And this is just a final step to give it a little bit more strength and keep it from breaking apart. So when you're doing this, make sure you keep the soldering iron from touching the bumper cover. You can see there, I wasn't really too careful, and I have a little black spot on the bumper cover. So that's it. The final step is to drill a hole for the bumper clip. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. This thing is nice and secure, and it won't be coming off anytime soon. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.